happiness. Kasi, yun nga, "Eh, sa akin ka lang po, 'wag po kayong mag-visit diyan po." Ano ba, bla, 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 bla. And at the end of the day, guys, you do not have the right to tell your gifters or to your supporters who and when they should be visiting those streamers. Because at the end of the day, you don't control their fingers, you don't control their money, hindi po kayo yung nagpapasweldo po sa kanila. And three, you're toxic. So doon lang po natatapos yung ranting section ko po for the end of the day. So sa mga na ano po, sa mga na-offend po, wear the shoes. Probably fits very, very, very well. So yun nga, if it hurt you, then you're probably guilty. Yikes. And since ano naman guys, and ano lang talaga yun, real talk lang talaga yun. Kasi I've heard so many things. While I was gone here, while I was not streaming for, I think for a few months, madami pong nagsasabi po sa akin, merong mga supporters na nagsasabi na, tawag dito, na, oh yeah, this person, hindi pinagbabawalan si ano, ganito sa pag-visit sa ibang tao. It's like, kung sila yung nagkokontrol ng pera ng ibang tao, sige, pagbawalan niyo po. Itali niyo na po, puwede niyo po sila itali sa ano, sa kama, sa bahay, sa ano po, sa corner po ng kwarto po nila para di po sila makagamit ng phone. Pero you have to remember that you're not the one giving them the salary. They make their own living and they make the choice of whoever if they want to support somebody else and support that person with 100K, go ahead. Wag po kayo it's just so toxic, guys. I'm like sick and tired of it, and I've heard of it so many times. It's like wala po talagang karapatan yung mga streamers, and I'm part of that. I'm part of who I'm talking about. Hindi ko po nilalahat, pero at the end of the day, ang dami pong mga gano'n, and sobrang nakakaano lang po, nakaka-disappoint lang kasi, us streamers, we work hard to give entertainment to the people that are watching us. But there's a line where there's a certain line for that. You know what I mean? I mean, gets ko, let's say, kung it's a case by case. Sabi, kung ano, 'di ba, parang tawag doon, kung competition, let's say pa singing competition and it's a dropping game. Like whoever drops this many diamonds or this many freaking coins to this singing contest will win the competition. Yes, that's when it's applicable. Pero pag at the end of the day, when everything's recreational, when everything's just for fun, or when everything is just for the heck of it, I don't think it's right for the streamer to be telling the gifters or those supporters to only visit me only. Haha. Sige, wow, sige, go. But yun nga, to tie everything in, meron ako sinabi kay Sky, and I think she posted it in her story. Like we've seen so many people compete with us. We've seen so many people leave. We've seen so many people tawag dito, try to manipulate other people so that they won't go to my stream or they won't go to my co-friend's stream. O sige, manipulate them as much as you can, because at the end of the day, that's a reflection of your character. Okay? Sorry to say, that's really the truth. Diba? Like, if you know the real definition of what perseverance is, if you know the real definition of what hard work really is, then that's when that's when you keep going and not and don't mind. Even if you're 4 hours in, 5 hours in your stream and you still have like 3K, so what? As long as you were able to at least touch one person, if you were able to at least make someone's day, kahit isang tao lang, you have made a difference in their life. So, yun, I rest my case. Pero thank you guys. Oh bro, Kuya Mark, Kuya Marky guys, please follow Kuya Marky guys. Like, bumalik lang po kami dito sa Kumuulit kasi na-bored po kami. And Kuya Marky, hello brother, kumusta? Ayun guys, please don't forget to follow Kuya Marky, one of the veteran streamers here on Kumu. Yan, sinabi ni Kuya John, presence is more important than that. I said that's very, very true. At the end of the day, we are here to make people happy, not to control them. Diba? Yes. Sa mga ano po, pumapasok po, kasi ayun po, naririnig niyo po yung rant ko po. Sige po, record niyo po ako. Wala kang pake. Ayan, thank you guys. I won't be streaming tomorrow kasi may church po ako, pero I might stream tonight sa Pinas. Depende na lang kung ano yung mood ng ano ko, gising ko mamaya. So ayun, maraming salamat guys ay sa mga nagda-drop po for a little while and listen to my rants and keep talking crap. It's all good. Don't worry because I'm not affected. Yes, presence is important, but Gcash is importanter, yes. Very, very much. And guys, drop your Gcash because Kuya Mark is gonna be dropping 1K each. Charot. Pero yun nga, maraming salamat guys. See you guys, ano ba, Thursday? Ano ba ngayon? Wednesday? I'll see you guys on Friday. Friday na lang. And then we'll go from there. I didn't. No. What? Don't quote me on that. I'll probably see you guys tonight there in the Philippines. I'll probably stream in the morning. Um, yun nga, only have a few hours, but yeah. Nasaan ka now, Sir Marshall? Ano lang po ako sa QC. I'm here in ano po, Mindanao Avenue. Yes, sa Mindanao Avenue po ako sa ano po, sa QC po. Oy, Quiz John, thank you sa kalayaan. Yes, pinalalaya mo na ba ako? Thank you so much guys. Ay, naka 112 din tayo. Grabe. Thank you guys. Ay, sa 23 billion viewers natin. Thank you. Ayan guys, for those who are asking, yes, I am 100% back here on Kumu guys. Kaya, ayan, watch me and my kalat streams. And thank you din. Kanina si Ara nag-visit sa akin. Ayan, thank you kay Ara. Ayan, na-miss ko din si Ara. Actually, I was thinking about Ara kasi sinabi ko, ay, si Cyrene is back, Faye is back, Ate Cha, si Sky, si Ate Mary Ann, si NG, kahapon nag-visit din si NG, and then si Mako nag-visit, si Ate Kim nag-visit, si JM nag-visit, ayan, si T nandyan din, and ayan, si Sir Giam, yes. And sa mga, si Sir Johnny nag-visit din kahapon, sino pa ba? Ayun guys, ang dami po, nakaka-miss din kasi dami din nating mga nakasama before. Brother, hello, Jordan, hello. Ayan, ang dami din nating mga nakasama before and nakaka-miss din na makasama sila. I mean, for even just for a little while. So thank you guys for being here and yes, miss you din Tina. Ayun, hopefully you're doing well. Thank you. Brother Jordan, thank you guys. Please don't forget to follow Jordan guys. He streams, I believe, sa umaga dito sa States. Ay, wala pala ako sa States, sa Quezon City pala ako ngayon. Oh, thank you, Quiz John, thank you. He streams tonight, I guess, I think, or every night. I'm not sure of his streaming schedule, pero follow him for more content, guys. He also, he also sings. Oy, brother, thank you, grabe ka. Oy, sige, babalik ko lang naman yan sa'yo. Ayan, thank you guys. Sobrang haggard na po ako. Kailangan ko na po maligo and cuddle with my pillow. So, ayan. Yes, and si Pink Girl, ayan, welcome po kay Pink Girl. Pink Girl, I followed you. Ayan, thank you guys. Thank you din sa request kanina. There You'll Be yata yun. Oh, You're Still the One pala. Yan, You're Still the One. I love that song. Kaya maraming salamat guys. Ayan, JB, ayan, brother. And sa mga nandito guys, nag-drop si Sky, and si Ate Mary Ann. I'm trying to look at the leaderboard right now. And si Ate Mary Ann, kay Kus John, thank you Kus John, kay Ara, kay Brother Jordan, ayan. Kay Ate Ja, kay JM, at kay Pink Girl. Maraming salamat guys. And hopefully you guys will continue to support me here on Kumu. I will be streaming whenever I want. Kaya wala po kayong magagawa. Ayan guys, I'll go ahead and leave now. Ayan, thank you guys. Love you all and see you soon. Bye-bye.